Our team name is the Rubber Ducks, and our project is called This a To-Do List, and it is a to-do list application in the form of a Discord bot. Our team is Giovanni, William, Jose, and John, and we used Python and some Python libraries such as discord.py and firebase.py. We use Discord, we use Firebase as our database, and we used AWS to host the Python bot. We wanted the ability to make a Discord bot that could be added to any server. We wanted the ability to create private or public lists. We wanted the users to interact with these lists with emoji reactions and commands. We wanted to save all this data on a Firebase database. And we just overall wanted to learn about Discord bots using Firebase and hosting everything on AWS. We had a lot of challenges, mainly with working with the Firebase database. We had time management issues, but that's expected on a hackathon. We spent a lot of time finding last-minute bugs and then sprinting to fix them. And a lot of our bug issues were related to input validation and ration conditions and stuff like that. Some things that we learned was that the live share option on VS Code is awesome. We were all able to look at the same code and edit it at the same time and talk to each other while we're doing it. It was very cool. I think we could have done time management a little bit better. We could have broken down the project into more discrete steps. And I think in the future, we would consider a different database option. We will continue to work on this in the future. I think we would add the ability to edit items in lists. We would work better with strings and spaces and input in general. And we just want to improve the UI and the user experience overall. And we want people to test this and find bugs, and then we can fix all those bugs. All right, so to demo this, I can go over to my Discord, and we created a Discord server just for people to try this out. And we have the Discord bot over here. If I do exclamation point, which is how I start command, and I do help, I could show all the different commands that are available with this bot. So if I want to make a new list, I could do command make list and call it my list. And I get a little green check mark from the bot saying that it has done that. I could show my lists. All right, so these are all the lists that I have available. I could add an item, so add to my list and say finish project. Oh, there was no list by that name because I have to add quotation marks. So my list, finish project. Let me type that correctly. So that worked. Let me add another one and record hackathon video. That was done. And then I could do show list and show my list. So this shows me the actual to-do list. So I have the title and the different items that I had added. And then underneath, I have emojis that correspond with each of those items. So if I finish the project and I wanted to cross that off my to-do list, I could just hit the first emoji, and then the bot will edit the message. It'll move that down to completed. And now I just have one remaining item. And I could also finish that, and I'm all done. And then if I wanted to remove this list, I could do remove list with the title of the list. And it gives me, are you sure? And I could say yes. And now the list has been deleted. And that's our application. I hope you enjoyed.